Hello and welcome to another algebra video. In this video we're going to be going through a complex question. So in this question we have to find the value of x such that 12x minus 36 is equal to minus x plus 20. Such that simply means we need to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So we need to find the value of x that when we put it in this side is equal to the value on this side. The best way to do this is to move all of the x values to one side and all of the number values to the other side, and then divide by the coefficient of x, the coefficient being the number in front of the x. Okay, so we're going to break this down into two parts, the x parts and the numerical parts. So we've got 12x on this side and we've got minus x on this side. On the numerical wise, we've got minus 136 this side and plus 20 this side. So what we want to do is move this value to this side and move the x value to this side. As you might remember from the last video, what we want to do is add an x to this side to cancel out the x on this side and give us another x on this side. So if we add an x, that means that we get 12x plus x equals minus x plus x. And then considering the numerical values, we've got the minus 136 and the plus 20, which stay where they're meant to be. Simplifying this further, we get 13x is equal to minus x plus x. So minus x plus x makes 0. So we get 0x, and then putting in the numerical values we have minus 136 and plus 20. The next thing we want to do is get rid of this minus 136 from this side. To do that, we want to add 136 to both sides. So rewriting this part, we get negative 136 plus 136 is equal to 20 plus 136. So negative 136 plus 136 makes 0, and on this side 20 plus 136 makes 156. So when we combine all of both the x and numerical values together, we find that 13x is equal to 156. Now to remove this coefficient of x to find out what 1x is equal to, because currently we know what 13x is equal to, we must divide by 13. So 13 divided by 13 is 1, which means we have 1x is equal to 156 divided by 13, which I know personally is 12. So there we have it. This is our answer. X is equal to 12. Now to check that this is correct, we want to put it back into our original equation. So we get 12 times 12 minus 136 is equal to minus 12 plus 20. Okay, so 12 times 12 is equal to 144. Take away 136 is equal to minus 12 plus 20, which is equal to 8. And 144 take away 136, well, that's also equal to 8, which gives us 8 is equal to 8, which of course we know is true. Therefore, we've shown and checked that x is equal to 12, such that 12x minus 136 is equal to minus x plus 20.